Shout out Ed.
That's amazing.
Wait, are we talking about video Ed or the other Ed?
I'm talking about Ed McNichol.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, so other Ed.
Happy birthday.
Are there 100 Eds as well?
There's honestly just one, and if you met this Ed, you'd understand. He's a one and only type of guy.
Truly a lovely human.
There's
Is there something weird
here? No, I'm
Sorry guys, I can't stop.
You're stretched pretty far off to,
Oh,
to the
man.
southeast.
This terrain like this just makes it really hard to when we're
Fly.
deep and we're climbing a mountain. Really hard to stop.
No, I understand. No worries.
Mhm.
It's just a never-ending transect.
Yeah, it's super steep here.
That's all it is. I
It really is.
When you're deep like this and Atalanta's moving, there's nothing you can do about it.
I really do agree.
Powerless to Atalanta.
Big sister.
I said,
Herc just wants to have zoomies.
Oh,
More Brisingid.
I thought it looked more like that, but we just couldn't see the color.
Yeah.
It was like that, yeah. I don't think it had cephalopod, like you see how dark this one is right here?
Yeah.
Like, that's what I'm thinking. But I could be wrong. It looked way too round.
Like it looked like a blob.
It looked like an oval.
interesting.
I hope we see another, whatever it was. And maybe somebody, I don't know.
Like I keep trying to get close to Atalanta, but it keeps going away from me.
Yeah. We're almost to the top of this section. And then it'll kind of flatten out for a while.
Nice.
Another.
There's a light at the end of the tunnel, Danny.
Another massive Brisingid.
did I hear flatten out?
Chelsea's gonna keep me honest.
Did you
Those
hear
are
what?
the words exactly that I wanted to hear.
Is that exactly what you said? I'm kidding. I'm happy.
I'll totally let you do it.
Okay, well, I'll totally do it. But
Oh my gosh, I'm so jealous.
I'm really used to inverted controllers. That's what we use over on this side too. So just, putting that out there.
Only the depth control is inverted. So you pull back to go up.
Uh-huh. The cameras on the ship are the same in case the pilot does cameras.
You should see Ed when he locks in on a moving object. He is crazy good with that pan and tilt. I've seen him use it like a fighter pilot, like just.
Oh, really?
Oh yeah, and he can get a beautiful pan right into a moving object.
Wow.
With the ROV?
No, with the camera control you got over there.
Oh, with like the cam rear and stuff?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. I want to like combat camera with this thing. When does he do that? What does he
Sometime like
do
the
that with?
present.
I saw it a couple years ago.
Oh. Wow.
I mean, I do the same thing with this vehicle when I'm trying to focus on something zoomed in and trying to stay still. I'm doing all kinds of movements with this thing.
That I completely agree. Could see. I don't know. What was I
So,
going to say there?
Danny, do you think there's any chance to stop to collect rock, or it's just not this area, is just not feasible?
Well, the problem is the ship is way ahead of us, and there's no way to stop Atalanta because we've got the pendulum effect.
And the boat is, this is where I was yaying a lot, but the boat is very far out.
Yeah, she's given us a lot of
I see.
a lot of space.
So,
80 meters.
yeah.
Another yeah.
Yeah.
Well,
Yeah.
okay.
No.
I'm kidding. Nice.
Yeah.
I don't know a synonym for yeah. I'm very
Yeah, it's good.
conscientious now of my yes.
It's okay. They're the best, yes.
I don't know anymore.
We like them. Yeah.
Doo-doo, doo-doo, doo-doo.
Listen.
Not to mention the current is kind of just pushing me up the hill. I mean, look at it.
Oh wow, that's crazy.
Whoa.
Completely hands off, and Hercules is just driving by himself.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Danny's got no hands.
The skill.
Danny, no hands.
Danny, no
Different breed.
hands.
Danny, no hands.
Danny, no hands. Yeah, sure.
I have to say, guys, I think the secret to keeping warm in here is getting completely sunburnt. I am pretty warm.
That sounds
That's a way
like
to sell it.
a bad way to do it.
It
Came
works.
in here like I just ate hot food.
Yeah, that's true.
I'm like my own little heat source over here.
Kidding. Sunburned.
There's, yeah, about like 20 meters away from you.
Mike, can I get you to zoom in on the downward cam?
On the down cam?
Yeah. See how we've got that fisheye going?
Yeah, 1 second. Zooming in. That is max.
Is
I
the
guess that's
ship
as best
moving
as we
right
can
now
get.
or just
Okay.
holding?
I'm sorry?
Is the ship moving right now or is just
It's
holding?
it's moving.
Let's hold at the next stop, and we'll catch up with it, and then...
No more ship steps is what you're wanting?
Well, is the ship's at a waypoint?
It's about, it's almost at that waypoint. It's probably 20
When
meters
the
off.
ship gets to the waypoint, we'll stop. But then to get going again, it's going to take some time. So that's the issue that we're going to have. Is if we keep the ship moving, the Atalanta will keep swinging. But if we stop and we swing underneath the ship will have to move, and then Atalanta has to catch up with the ship.
What if you take another like 67 meter move before Ada starts feeling the pendulum swing?
Yeah. That's the problem with sampling while trying to do transects like this.
But I can get, Fanny, if you're interested, I can get the ship towards waypoint 2 and then stop doing ship movements.
Yeah, maybe that would be good. So if we could grab a rock.
Yeah, and waypoint 3 is pretty close to waypoint 2, so.
And 4 and such.
There's something here.
I see
Stalk.
it. Mm-hmm.
I have to say, guys, I'm pretty proud of the daisy chain that's on Atalanta's cam. It's pretty tight little knots on there. I'm pretty proud of it.
Did you do the daisy chain?
I just,
Kelsey?
I mean,
Was that you?
Yeah,
I
that's
mean,
a coral.
Ooh,
Oh,
Kelsey's not gonna
coral.
say it was,
Zoom video?
zooming. It was definitely neat,
Is
guys.
that another one of the primnoids?
No, I think it's looks more like a bamboo.
Pulled tight.
Go ahead and zoom video.
Wide or zoom? So would sampling be an option or just
Yeah,
to
we can hurry. Are you good, Mike?
So what?
Are you good?
Yeah.
Go
I'll
wide
try
video.
and
going wide?
give you a little bit of space. Come down a bit.
Viewers online,
You're
if you
just,
wanted
Am
to.
I
fairly
close
far.
enough?
You're just fairly far away from me, so it might end up pulling.
I don't know if I'm falling. I'm good. Now I'm not. Maybe I am. Let's see.
You want me to tilt up?
Can
Nice.
okay.
Hey.
That can go in the forward bio box.
Come
Okay.
on. Stay. Forward firebox out.
Forward bio
Camera
box
in.
out. Camera coming in. Forward going open.
Both are free, so put it in whatever's easiest for you.
And if once the coral is in the
Camera's all the way in.
box, if we can also get a rock from that position, that would be awesome.
Nice.
I'm at 7-meter altitude.
Oh, it's still hanging on.
Nice.
Okay, you want to rock from here?
Yes, so actually I just realized the rock where the coral was on, or
6
one of
meters.
the rocks behind it, like that one, whatever is manageable.
I have to move. My vehicle is sliding down the hill. Close the bio box.
Bio box is closing. You're at 5 meters. Or I'm at 5 meters.
Yeah, I gotta go, guys.
Yep. Coming up.
Sorry.
Hey, you got the coral. That's exciting.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I wanted
Something
that rock.
tells me there's going to be more rocks.
I do believe.
Just have a feeling.
Something
Maybe.
tells me.
Okay, Adelana's dragging me.
What's our depth right now?
3062.
3062.
3060, yeah. I'm just about to change over to the next multipuffer sample.
Sounds good.
So give it a wait just a minute.
No, we don't want to land Adelana right now.
Just tell me when you start the multipuffer.
Yeah, no, I wanted to get Hercules to get a little closer to the waypoint.
Okay, sounds good.
Yep.
Yes.
We can
Yeah.
try. I just gotta get I gotta get underneath Adelana.
And there will be no more ship steps for quite a long time, so that Ada just swings under into waypoint 2.
Oh, that's something you don't see every day.
Oh.
And Hayden, that was
240.
Okay, sweet.
Yes.
Okay, Hayden, let's do it.
Sounds good.
Okay. Pump 0 off. And pump 1 on.
Sounds good.
Yep.
Like that one.
Yeah, that I was looking at that one too.
Yeah.
And you said the depth was 3060?
You want this?
Right now it's
If we can give it a
3047.
try,
Okay.
if you can.
That's a big rock.
Or that, let me see. Oh, that one here, that's a bit round.
You want that one right there in front of us, right?
Yeah, that one maybe is a little big.
Yeah, take roll.
Can we try to get a more angular one?
More angular
Yeah, I think I saw some off to the left, just off screen.
on the left of screen.
Yeah, thank you.
Let me know what you want, Val.
Yes. 353-170. Not yet. I had to restart at one point, so I'll have to go back to the log file.
How about that one here?
I think Val's coming. Yeah. No,
How
don't be
about
sorry
that
at all.
one? No?
No, not this one.
No.
Maybe that one or that one on the lasers.
So that one or the one over here?
Okay, we'll get this one right here.
And if I'm
That
not
was like below.
The one right there, right on the bottom of the screen.
Just below. We don't. It's off screen right now. It's just in like if you move down a little bit.
Yeah,
What is that? Red
right
thing?
there.
That black one.
Yeah. Well, that was that one here.
Nope. Nice.
Yeah, that one.
Good grab.
Awesome.
Can we rotate that a few times so I can get some captures? Just one rotation should work. Thank you, that should be good.
Okay, where do you want this?
So side bio box. Would it fit in the smaller compartment or is that a bit borderline?
I think it will fit in a smaller
So let's go
compartment.
for that.
We can put it in B. Bio box open?
Yep, that bio box is open.
Starboard bio box is opening. At 7 meters, just as an FYI.
Nice.
Perfect.
Very
Sweet.
good. I think-
Closing box.
Did you guys see the like red organism up to the right?
Yeah,
There's the
on the top
Bravo.
screen right there.
I didn't. Was it
Looks-
floating?
in this
It looks a
cam.
little similar to the one we saw last time.
I don't know what it was.
Okay, I gotta get going.
Was it moving or still?
6
It was
meters.
moving.
Oh,
It
no.
was some kind of
can see it
fire.
in this camera.
Right there.
There it
Oh,
is.
cucumber.
Oh, nice. Goodbye. We got a rock.
Is that rock
Nice.
number
Yeah.
2?
Congratulations.
Yes, it was rock number 2.
Oh no, look at that.
2 rocks for Val.
Sorry, I'm coming with.
Nope, not happening.
Nope.
All right, so to catch our viewers up on what was going on with the rocks and all of that, so again, we do have 2 main objectives for these dives that we've been conducting on NA174. We've been trying to get a better idea of the biology of the deep sea around the Marshall Islands and also the geology. So we have our geologist, Val, who is interested in these samples of rocks in order to gain more information about the seafloor, particularly the age. So with a lot of the rocks that we've found, they are millions of years old. There was one in particular in an earlier dive of the expedition that Val estimates was between 70 to 80 million years old.
That's still so crazy to me.
I know. It's just so amazing. And to orient you with those cameras, on channel 1, we are seeing the view from ROV Hercules. So Hercules is the, I guess, the main ROV that we use. It has all kinds of cameras. It has robotic arms and the bio boxes and the porch that you keep hearing us talk about. And then in addition to Hercules, there's also Atalanta. So if you look in channel 2, that is a view from that second ROV, Atalanta, and you can see the view of Hercules from Atalanta. In channel 3, you're seeing different angles from different cameras that are on Hercules, and you're also seeing some of us here in the control van.
Atalanta's about less than 60 meters off the stern.
Oof. Little sample rush there.
Sample rush. Oofta.
Oofta. Oofta. Oh yeah.
You did great, Hayden. I see some viewers in the chat are watching from South Korea. Awesome.
Oh,
Thanks
wow.
for joining in. And we have all kinds of people from all over the planet who are watching. I see Germany, Marshall Islands, yep, Korea, Philippines, India, Canada, Australia, Ukraine. Oh my, just all over.
Huh? Headless chicken monster in Atalanta cam?
Headless chicken monster, Atalanta cam. Maybe.
All right, oh, there he goes. Bye-bye.
Oh,
Gone.
Coming in hot.
I wonder if it's like the same one. It's just been.
He's just following us.
And there's a fish on the Hert cam on the right.
Oh, I see. To the right.
The very, very right.
Just
And-
Ah, it's
yep.
out of the screen, okay.
I was looking left, I'm not gonna lie.
Oh my gosh.
Your other left.
Hayden.
My bad.
I think you're in need of those tattoos that are like on people's thumbs that are like L and R. Have you seen those?
That would be beneficial
You
to
know,
me.
yeah.
I think we might
He'll
be to
do
that
that.
point.
He'll be like-
Yeah.
Can I have PMS? Port and starboard.
Oh, that's funny.
Oh, I really like that. I'm a big fan.
Someone's wondering, what happened to ROV Argus? Nothing, Argus is fine. Mike, if you want to tell it, go for it.
Let me do my logs real quick.
Oh, okay,
and then
or I can do it if you want.
yeah,
Yep.
I can.
So,
Sorry.
no, you're fine, thank you. Argus is totally fine just for the purposes of this expedition. It's a little too large for the space that we have available on the ship currently. So we are using Atalanta, but Argus
is fine.
Yep.
Everything is fine.
Everything's fine. Thank you.
No,
Healthy and happy, just taking a little sabbatical.
August has like 1 foot in retirement.
But it's still
Oh,
fine.
Still fine.
Until we
And-
start stripping it for parts.
Oh.
God.
Oh.
Rough.
The life cycle of an ROV.
No, we're being serious when we say it's fine. Don't listen to Danny. Danny's just trying to
Argus is
scare
back
you.
on the mainland right now, hanging out with the old Herc frame.
And then someone wanted to know, what was the bet for this first watch of the dive? So it was,
What fish we would see
yeah,
first.
what fish? And honestly, I lost track. I don't even.
No one won.
It's just
Because the first
eel.
fish we saw was not something anyone betted on.
It was like a
I think it looked like a cusk eel.
cusk eel or cutthroat eel, one of those. Yeah. So again, this is a deeper dive than what we have been doing so far this expedition. The current depth of Hercules is just under 3,000 meters, whereas our previous dives were, I would say, no deeper than like 2,300 maybe. So we're quite a bit deeper, and so we're seeing a difference in the amount of biology right now. But who knows, as we get closer and closer to the top of the seamount, we might see more
There's
fish.
something on the rock that looks like some kind of like dirty stuff.
Oh,
But,
dirty
Like a
stripe.
dead sponge.
Dirty sponge.
Yeah, could be.
Dirty stripe.
Dirty stripe.
Or like it could be like those like giant foraminifera, like xenophytophores.
Go
They
ahead
look
and zoom
like
video.
kind of like dirty
Swimming.
things on the seafloor.
Whoa.
Zoom.
Yeah.
What is that? Sponge caught in a sediment?
No, I don't know. It's either dirt or maybe a xenophile 4, but no.
Go wide video.
Zoom out.
We have seen glimpses of a headless chicken monster here and there, but it's being shy. It's just stalking Hercules
like
in the
horror
darkness.
movie.
I know.
Glimpses of the headless chicken monster.
So again, if anybody's just joining us, we lovingly refer to as this this type of sea cucumber as a headless chicken monster. We saw one floating earlier, and another one on the seafloor, and we keep seeing little blips of something in the darkness around Hercules. So hopefully,
Ominous.
yeah, hopefully it comes into the light.
Nope. It won't ever.
Can I have my port and starboard
gonna
lights
keep-
turned on, please?
Yep. It's just going to keep stalking us the whole way.
Mm-hmm.
Port and starboard.
I saw starboard come on, but I don't see port.
Port's on.
Okay.
Yeah.
I can try and up the iris if you want, Danny. It's just the whites are going to be pretty white.
No, it's fine.
Okay.
I wanted to see what was beside me in Atalanta view.
Oh, sure. Okay.
Making sure I'm not going to run into the side of a mountain.
That sounds pretty important.
Oh, it's getting pretty steep.
Yeah. It's very steep.
Mm-hmm.
And as always, if you are watching live on our website, nautiluslive.org, you are able to submit questions or comments in the chat. It is that white box that you see just below the live stream. So feel free to send those over. Someone wants to know what is stuck on our porch. I'm assuming you mean our weights. So depending on how much sampling gets done, the weight of ROV Hercules does change. So it is able to drop weights if it needs to. And at the very front of the porch, that I think is just a piece of cord that's tied up there. So I wasn't exactly sure what you meant, but hopefully that answers your question. Another bracingid there.
No, we have something else.
Something
next to it.
Right here.
On the bottom.
Mm.
Oh.
On that same rock.
Maybe a shrimp.
Doesn't really look like it.
Zooming?
Let's find out.
Oh, there's like something floating next to it too.
On the left, yeah.
Oh, the shrimp.
Whoa, what is that?
What in the world?
Type of sea cucumber?
No,
Oh,
Yeah.
maybe yes.
so see-through.
You can see all the sediments.
Do you want it?
That's a little disturbing.
No, I don't think so. Let's zoom on it.
Zoom video?
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, definitely is very transparent.
Wow.
Especially
Wow.
against the black of the rock. It's like very, the contrast is amazing.
Wow, you can
that.
really
It's
see all the
crazy.
sediment it's ingesting. Crazy.
Oh my, how is that real?
I'm about 20 meters from the
That's
transit.
There's
beyond
a
crazy.
little gastropod
So we
above it.
should be pretty good here.
That's insane.
That was really amazing. It's so transparent.
25.
No,
That's
you were
close.
17. You were like,
Oh. It's like, damn,
no,
that
you're
was pretty good.
Go by
You're
video.
Going
fabulous.
wide.
Look,
Yeah, I don't think we need to collect that.
Okay.
depends.
Okay.
So it's
Depends
just
where I grab it from.
eating sediment off of the rock.
Yeah,
And you can see its guts. You can see the sediment in the guts. It's just so crazy.
it's really transparent.
I don't have any ship movement, so just, you know, we're here. We're slowing down.
Yeah, we'll let Adelina come and rest. And I'm gonna have to stretch my legs for a minute. Mike, is Adelina good?
Adelina's is in a good position. Yep.
Jump in.
Okay.
Someone's wondering, how old is this mountain and is it extinct? Great question. So that's something that Val, I believe, is trying to figure out. So again, we have our geologist who is trying to study the rocks and the seascape that we're seeing here and getting some of an idea about how this seamount came to be. So we do know it is an extinct volcano, but in terms of how old it is, I think that is to be determined.
Okay. Okay, you ready to keep going, or?
Keep going.
Ready when you guys
All
are.
right. Let's
Keep
go
bearing.
ahead and, yep,
Keep bearing
on,
030.
keep moving. Yeah, that's fine. Hmm?
Well, there's been no shortage of rock at the rock factory.
For
the
sure.
rock factory.
keep my eyes on Ada.
Okay, thank you.
Depth looks fantastic.
You put in your ship movement now, yeah.
Yeah, I did,
'Kay.
but
It'll take a little bit to get moving.
maybe 2 to 3 business days.
I'll be here for a while.
Just take it all in.
Here for the vibes. The rocky vibes.
At the rock factory.
At the rock factory.
I mean, hypothetically, because we are using ROVs, we could be diving for days, right?
Yes.
Yes.
We are diving for a day.
We are. So yeah, again, this is our longest dive of NA174. We're going for 24 hours.
Is that anything, or is it just an optical illusion?
It looks like
No, that looks
something.
like
I see
something.
like an
Yeah.
arm.
We'd head over here. Yeah, go ahead and zoom. Slow.
Zooming.
Mm.
Looks like it's going under the rock.
Yeah, it's attached to the rock. Underneath it.
Perhaps it was a coral or a sponge
No,
head.
I think it's more sponge, yeah. But
Yeah.
like it's like it's broken off
Yeah.
at the top.
Yeah.
And there's something on
Can you
it.
come wait a second?
Yeah, absolutely. Yep.
Yeah. Hold for a
Squat
second. I'll
lobster,
come in
maybe?
here.
I don't think so. It's hard to tell. It's small.
Mm-hmm.
You're fully wide, Mike.
Are you good there? Okay.
If I can
Yep,
go in a
go
little
ahead
bit.
and go ahead and come on in.
Okay. Do you want me to keep going?
Yeah. You
Okay.
can go ahead and come on in.
Okay.
Oh. Sorry about that. Slid off a rock. Go ahead and come wide.
Okay.
Okay. You guys want to keep looking at this?
No,
or-
we can go.
Okay.
Yeah.
So Fanny, there's a question you might want to answer. Do seamounts benefit coastal marine environments or vice versa, or are they just like too far apart where they don't really affect each other?
There are different types of seamounts. So you can have seamounts very close to also atolls or like islands, right? So seamounts we know are often because you have this like large feature on the otherwise flat seafloor, then seamounts really like affect hydrodynamics. So you have very unique currents and hydrodynamic regimes around those seamounts. And because of that, you often also have higher productivity above seamounts. So a lot of like primary surface productivity, meaning that you might have a lot of food, right? And this productivity might also be exported towards like deeper waters, or might be advected horizontally towards like a seamount that is nearby or an island. So they can be, depending on how far the seamounts are from one another and from islands, then you may have an effect on coastal environments.
Mm-hmm.
But islands play that role as well, like oceanic islands. We call that the island effect, where you often have also a higher productivity around those islands just due to the presence of this feature, which impact current hydrodynamics regimes.
Mm-hmm. Awesome, thanks.
Interesting. I can see the current effect. That makes sense.
Yeah.
Oh, some pretty big boulders coming up here.
It's like a
There's
shrimp.
something reddish here.
Yeah.
Looks like it's floating.
Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead and zoom.
That's definitely a shrimp.
Shrimp.
But it's
Shrimp.
different. Look at that.
Whoa.
It's a,
Pretty cool shrimp.
it has very long,
Yeah, this looks different than what we've
Things.
been seeing.
Very long
Oh.
legs.
Oh, yeah.
Whoa.
The daddy long legs of shrimp.
yeah.
Right. It's walking.
That's bizarre.
Going for a stroll.
I've never seen one with such long legs. I don't know. It's like a shrimp spider.
Can
Shrimp
this
spider.
be slurped?
Spider shrimp.
Yeah, we can slurp this.
Wow.
That'd be interesting
Go
to
ahead and
see.
come wide.
I don't think we've collected the shrimp yet.
Nah.
We could try to, but he might have some energy.
Yeah.
He might fly away.
Yeah,
Oh.
it might.
I think I've seen this in American Samoa. Is it called a? Let me just check something else.
Okay.
Come wide there.
It's very unique.
Okay.
Ooh. This is going to float off the top of that rock.
Oh, is that? I think I found.
Okay, give me suction.
Is this they call it the
Suction
chopstick antennae, like the
You're gonna need
chopstick
to
shrimp?
Okay,
Boost that up.
suction's on.
Yeah,
It looks
boost that
like
up,
the
yeah.
one called Nematocarcinidae.
I cannot see if.
Do you want me to get a little closer?
Oh, no.
Oop, no, I guess doesn't want to come with us.
He's like, I like the life.
Come on.
Did we get it? Oh.
No, that's fine. Good try. These are hard to
I
get.
think
Almost had him.
I think I found it.
this is the
I've tried
chopstick
for like
antennae
100
shrimp.
of them, and I've
Yeah,
I've
that's what
hardly
I
ever
think.
can get 'em.
It reminds me of. I think I saw this on American
See, I think
Samoa.
that's that one here.
Yeah. That looks like the one.
Gotcha.
Yes, I agree with Fanny.
Suction.
The appendages are so long.
They're cool.
Oh,
Okay.
it's trying so hard to get away.
I'm gonna say if you want, we can change the
Really cool shrimp.
Yeah, it's super cool.
sample jar cam.
Oh, but we're not even on the like.
Yeah.
We might have collected it over there. It's the same species.
I'm sure it has been collected
Yeah, we won't
somewhere.
Yeah,
Probably. Was it similar depth as well when you
You
saw
want-
it?
it was deep. Yeah, it was. This was NA165.
I have
We
no
can look it
control
up,
sample
maybe.
jar.
Come on.
Oh, almost had it.
All right.
Yeah, it dipped out.
You got a lot of sediment.
All right. I'll let that flush and. I got a rock.
Got a rock.
Okay.
Rocker clock, baby.
All right. Well, we tried.
Yeah, I
Yeah.
tried.
Very good job.
Okay.
It's pretty satisfying to see it like slurp up all the sediment. I will be a little honest.
Just a little.
Like, yeah. I feel like that would do pretty good on TikTok.
If you just Google the deep sea shrimp with chopstick antennae, you'll find it.
Well, that was a cool find.
Yeah.
Like I said before, we haven't seen,
Whoa,
there's a
little
jelly or
jelly.
something
Jelly.
in
Jelly
the
floating
front
around.
of the porch.
Oh, it's on
And
the
he's
porch.
on the porch. They
The
love the
porch
Is the
porch.
jelly on the porch
It
again?
was. It like
He
bounced
was.
off the porch and now it's,
Oh, there it is.
And now
Okay,
he's
Atlanta,
scooting
time to
away.
come up.
it's so cute.
Cool view of Hercules, though.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow,
Oh.
Yeah.
yeah. You really see how steep it is on that view.
Oh yeah.
Can zoom a little bit there.
Yeah,
Video.
the jelly's still there,
On the
surprisingly.
jelly, oh, sorry.
Come with us.
Oh.
Oh.
Oh, no, he's out of here.
Oh.
He's gonna hang out.
And back. Just don't zoom in.
Yeah, zoom in.
Okay.
Nope.
Stay with us.
Never mind.
Yeah,
Well,
There it is.
it's just
Like
tiny.
It's like
peekaboo.
chase
Now
the
you
jelly.
That's great.
I just want you to feel like a little pukey from the in and out, you know? Just
I think it finally left us.
Yeah,
That was fun.
it was over us.
Some viewers are asking about that shrimp. Apparently the feed cut off there for a second. We did not collect the shrimp, but we think it could be something called a chopstick shrimp.
Antenna with a chopstick antennae?
Chops-
Antennae?
Chopstick antenna shrimp?
Yeah.
Okay. So if you want to maybe see if you can find some images of that online. It was a really cool shrimp, but no, we did not collect it. Chopstick antenna
The
shrimp.
genus is Nematocarcinidae. There's a few species of these that have been documented across the Central Pacific and apparently possibly American Samoa as well.
wow.
It's interesting. On this dive, I feel like we haven't seen like a ton of biology, but the biology that we have seen has been very different than what we have seen so far on our previous dives.
Yes, which is
Yeah.
what we would expect because abyssal species are often very different from species that we find shallower. This is a completely different depth range. So we would expect different species. There's another shrimp here.
Small.
Shrimp.
It's small.
Small.
Okay, video, go ahead and zoom.
Zooming.
Yeah, it looks like the
Nothing.
same one.
It is another one of these
Oh, yeah.
Nematocarcinidae or chopstick antennae shrimp. Look at that.
Amazing.
Maybe we can slip this one.
It is in position. It's not moving.
He's kind of locked away. If we can get lucky with it.
Well, it looks locked away, but
Pellicle.
they move pretty quick.
That is true.
And they swim backwards, so they would...
Yeah. Yeah.
The umbilical just went up.
Also, it is about that time for us to switch out on our watches.
Mm-hmm.
Do you want me to go wide, Mike?
We have been in this room for 4 hours, and it's time for the next watch to take over.
Oh, there. You got it?
Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Okay. Go ahead and come wide,
Yeah,
video.
happy to.
So it's on your starboard. I'm driving ahead.
So again, in just a few minutes here, you should be hearing some newer voices as the 8 to 12 crew comes in to do their watch. And like I have been saying before, this is the longest dive that we're doing on NA174. So this is a 24-hour dive, started at 3 p.m. local time. So we still have plenty of hours to go. So the 4 to 8 crew, we will be back in the morning from 4 a.m. to 8 a.m. Bright and early.
Bright and early.
I'm coming up. It's still, huh?
Alrighty, guys. Keone signing out.
Still.
See you guys in the morning.
Quite the transition we got going on right now. A lot of things happening. So just bear with us for the time being. Thank you.
Bridge nav. Hi, can we have a ship move 20 meters, 215? Thank you.
8 to 12 starting off watch with a little jelly. Ooh, it's so cute. Alrighty, y'all. Thank y'all for those just tuning in. We got our 8 to 12 watch just chiming in right now. My name is Giselle De Leon. I'm a lead STEM educator when I'm in San Antonio, Texas, but right now I am a science communication fellow with EV Nautilus. Just wanted to give a shout out to everyone who is tuned in with us right now. We have viewers from Finland, Guam, Japan, Malaysia, Philippines, Palau, Taiwan, Ukraine, Australia, Canada, United Kingdom, Marshall Islands, Korea, Germany, and the United States. Everybody, welcome. Thank y'all for tuning in. Again, if y'all have any questions and y'all maybe are on YouTube, I recommend that y'all head over to nautiluslive.org and have any questions that you want for us to answer.
Out ahead.
How are things looking front row? Awesome. How are we looking for samples? I think we got a couple rocks, but I'm not sure what else we've gotten.
We got 2 rock samples and 1 coral sample.
All right, thank you.
You're most welcome.
All right, plenty of space left in that basket.
Yep.
I always love a good pan view like that.
It's good for context.
It
Oh,
absolutely
there's a little
is.
fish.
Ooh.
It went below us.
It's so steep.
It
It's
is.
very steep. It's challenging to work these walls.
It is, yeah. Yeah, here you move horizontally a little bit with the ship, and that translates down the line, and that means a lot of vertical to manage for the two vehicle system down here at depth, among many other things.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, thankfully we are coming up on the end of the big climb here, and we'll be flattening out pretty soon.
All right. Ready for a move?
Oh, man. Let's just hang on a second.
Okay, I'm just, you know, it's going to take like 15 minutes for the swing, so I'm just asking. I know that was really stressful with the tether.
Okay, we're going to be like this. What's our heading?
020.
020. All right, now you can go.
Okay. Bridge nav.
So smack me if you do that.
Well, it's my job to make sure you don't do that.
Yeah, I don't think we'll get to that point.
It happens.
I suppose.
How fast are you going?
0.3.
Okay. We're just getting flatter though.
Yeah. It should be flattening out, and then we'll be at the top of this like ridge feature
For quite a while.
Yeah. So here's some context. So we're going up the wall. We should be there soon. Less than 100 meters, and then it should be pretty smooth sailing.
All right, she says.
Yeah, well, according to the map, the map isn't always 100% correct.
Yeah, I think this is smaller than the resolution of the map, these little features.
Yeah.
We're just like getting these little steps of lava flows in cross-section.
Exactly. And anything that's like really vertical doesn't really come out in the multi-beam very well. It kind of gets averaged out with the rest of the space, unless it's really big.
Especially
yeah, the
deeper,
pings,
right? Yeah.
Pings don't really see that too well. Oh, I like that rock a lot.
Ooh.
Like what? What rock?
That one right there.
That looks huge.
It's probably too big.
It's over 20 centimeters.
Those are, I lost our lasers. Yeah,
In there.
it's way too big.
You get
Scratch
4
that.
drops now.
Oh.
This is where it's difficult with the sample stuff, because without those lasers we have no sense of scale, and I lost where the lasers were for a sec. I know they're in the center of the screen, but sometimes you just can't see them.
That's true. They were a little tricky to see.
Did you really want to rock?
I'm thinking about it since we're waiting for the ship move to translate down.
Ooh.
And we're getting pretty close to the top of this. It's been a little while vertically since we've taken a rock, so I'm thinking this might be a really good chance before things flatten out. And once they flatten out, there's a chance we lose our chance.
Yeah.
A lot of chance there.
Well, there's the sort of rectangular looking one that's right underneath
Right below the
lasers.
lasers, that one? That is a nice rock. And that would fit in one of the smaller boxes.
It looks perfectly the right size.
Sure does.
Ooh.
And this stuff doesn't look like it was broken apart many tens of millions of years ago, because I can see the edges really well, which means thin ferromanganese crust, which means there is more rock than manganese for once.
That would be nice.
Good.
And that also means that I have an easier time cleaning up after cutting rocks. This
That
one
one.
that you are pointing right toward.
That one?
That's
Yep.
the one.
Pro.
Rocket clock.
Robert knows what I like,
Yeah.
which is a good rock.
A new list.
We're making a list.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hard to get the fingers in there.
It's the problem with these scree slopes, right?
Yeah.
I'm saying scree just
you
this
tilt
once,
down
just
more?
for you.
Can we get something else?
Yes. Let's see. Looking around.
That's the one angular rock.
Would we be able to? Oh crap! Get that one up, at, like just reposition.
That might be far.
Where?
It's probably out of reach.
Yeah, she's thinking
and
this one.
ooh, I like that one too. That's
That
a little
one?
closer. Yeah. So it turns out, if you swipe right at the side of the telescreen monitor, it minimizes the windows, and that's what I was crapping about.
Oh.
But also, oh crap, there are too many rocks. That is the problem.
Good problem.
It's a good problem to have, especially after how sparse some of these seamounts have been. And that looks absolutely beautiful.
Is it?
It's a good chunk of pillow basalt, because that's what all the chunks around here are.
Ooh, look at that.
Yeah?
Yeah, I like that.
All right. I think I got to get off the wall to put it away, though.
Yeah.
I'll move ahead a little bit.
All of this. So I guess, Val, whenever's a good time, could you explain to our viewers, why are we looking for these specific kind of rocks?
1 second, I'm making some notes.
Oh, no worries.
Just making sure I'm currently taking requests from Science Chat.
Oh, wonderful.
So, yes. So I'm collecting these rocks to do, to understand the origins of these seamounts. So that includes figuring out what kind of mantle they came from and how old they are. And we know here that they're pretty old, so somewhere probably in the 75 to 85 million-year-old range, but we don't really know for sure. And
where's this going?
Boxes E, C, F, and D are available, so you can try putting it in C if...
Okay.
C and D?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Can we go to sample mode?
Beautiful.
Yay.
Thanks, Robert.
This is
sample 243.
43.
Okay, you switch back. Alright, marching on.
Bridge now.
So yeah, we can use things like bulk compositions of these rocks. So looking at the abundances of different elements comprising the rock. And we can look at the isotopes and the variations in isotopic ratios of certain elements to understand the origins of these volcanoes. And they can have their own unique isotopic fingerprint depending on what sort of mantle source they came from. And that isotopic fingerprint also includes a lot of age. So we need to know the absolute age of the seamount, ideally, to trace the provenance of this to the level of precision and accuracy that we like to.
Yeah.
But for right now, we are looking at a very cool jelly.
Yeah. What is this? Oh my gosh.
Float note.
It's beautiful. Whoa.
There we go.
Look at that. That is amazing. Look at the colors on it. Looks kind of like a flower.
What's the center? Is that its mouth? It's kind of whitish.
Oh,
Yeah, I think it might have something in its mouth.
Oh.
Or sediment on the mouth.
It's so pretty.
Mm-hmm.
What are those outside tentacles used for? Normally they're at the bottom, no? Of like jellies?
Yeah. Well, those are the tentacles for feeding.
Oh.
You know, and stinging.
Yes.
Those things that jellyfish do.
How do they get the food into the bell, like in the under knee?
Very carefully.
Oh.
So the tentacles kind of bunch in and draw into the main body once they catch something, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
It's a really pretty one.
It's gorgeous.
So how well documented are deep sea jellies?
Not very well, and they're very hard to identify based on video.
Mm-hmm.
Just because they keep moving and bopping around.
Yeah.
You have to look at the channelization and count the tentacles and know a lot about jellies, which I don't know very much about them.
Wow. Do you know like the general role that jellies play?
Well, they're water column animals, and so they
that's
just
a good view.
Float
Beautiful.
around. Yeah, now you can see those channels.
Wow.
I think it might be in the family Paraphylidae, but I don't know these very well.
That's okay. Don't worry about
Yeah, no,
They're not benthic.
this is beautiful.
it. Yeah. It's a good spot.
Mm-hmm.
Nice video, Amber.
Teamwork.
Yeah.
Yay.
Get to push my buttons.
Yeah. Look at that. Oh.
Doesn't want to hold still, though.
No. That's the thing about jellies.
It's doing his little thing.
Just floating around. I think we got some good shots of this one, though.
Yeah, that was some incredible
really,
footage.
it was so pretty.
But seeing as you were occupied right there at the beginning when we spotted it, I was like, all right.
I had to
Yeah.
say something to the going.
Yep.
I was snappy.
So we do have a request from the shore team that if we spot any abyssopathes, that would be a good collection target.
Okay. Can do.
Yeah.
I know abyssopathes very well.
I know you do. I have an idea of what abyssopathes is, but I couldn't confirm it. I just know that if we see a black coral, we need to look at it.
Yeah. Well, most black corals are going to be of interest at these depths.
I believe it.
Oh.
And I'm hoping we'll get to see a few more corals once we get on the ridge and we get into rocks that are less likely to take a little tumble.
Yeah.
So that's one of the things about this kind of slope. It's nice and steep. It's kind of this channel between 3 different walls and some different structures that all intersect. And as a geologist, this makes me really happy because this is a big pile of talus and it is ripe for the picking. It's not as conducive to seeing a lot of good populations of animals because, yeah, you know, even like corals and other organisms that like to set themselves down on hard rock, they have a harder time colonizing areas like this because this rock actually is loose, unlike a lot of the rock that we have encountered on most of the previous seamounts we've explored this expedition. And speaking of which,
Is that a
little
dead
something going on
sponge?
here. And these rocks are more in place, so more evidence of them being in place is the size of that dead sponge stalk.
Are those snake stars?
These are brittle stars
Brittle,
in the family
oh.
Ophiocanthidae. You can identify them by those really long spines along the arms. And then on the top of the disc, the disc looks like a flower, like a hibiscus flower almost.
Oh. They're gorgeous.
Also seems to be something behind there. Like maybe an anemone or something.
Oh, like the little white.
The little white, yeah.
Tentacles
Oof,
thing.
it's a little spicy. Up is spicy.
Whoa. And those spikes on the brittle stars, are they actually spiky?
Yeah, they're kind of spiky.
Yeah. Oh. Wow. How
Looks like
neat.
they're about to be dramatic and fall off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These ones are very dramatic. They're known to just jump off whatever they're hanging on to when the ROV comes by.
Oh.
So basically we need to fetch them their fainting couches.
And what was the white thing you were pointing out that you wanted to look at?
Oh, it was the tentacles of an anemone, but it's like on the opposite side of the sponge.
Okay.
I could only see the very ends.
Oh, you're looking at the, yeah. Okay.
And there's a couple
there
little
goes the
amphipods
AC.
in there. I think we're good. Move on.
That AC is cycling.
Yeah.
It just got really chilly in here.
It's like, oh, hey,
Oh, what
it's
was that?
nighttime. It's so much easier to cool off. Let's do my job really well.
Yeah, that's what happens when I pull late nights in the isotope lab. It's just, you can tell when everybody's gone home for the night because it just gets frigid in there.
Oh, jeez.
I got one more spare jacket if anybody's in need, and one more blankie.
Thank you.
Happy to share the bounty of warmth.
starting to see more and more in-place rock. It's a pretty good sign that we're coming up to the top here, but I also get to cheat and look at high pack.
Yeah, we're almost there, almost at the top.
All signs point to yes.
So with
Not really flat yet, though.
No, well, it's not gonna be flat.
Yeah, we still got a little ways to go. Yeah.
Not gonna be like, hey, it's a vertical wall.
So the rocks that are going to be found at the top versus the bottom, what would be the major difference between the two? Like, are some older, some younger?
Don't know. Presumably the ones at the bottom are going to be a little bit older, depending on the how quickly the seamount built up. That may or may not be resolvable across the vertical range that we've traversed.
Yeah.
The ones up here are going to be closer to in place, most likely, than the ones further down.
Yeah.
But the angular nature of a lot of the rocks that we've seen have also suggested that they haven't fallen very far, because the longer they travel when they erode away out of an outcrop, the more rounded they get.
Oh.
So I think we're doing a lot of sampling near in place, but here they've probably not traveled as far. If you see loose rubble, you know, it just can't come from a whole lot higher than what the talus further downhill could have come from.
Yeah.
So that's why I've been requesting a few grabs early in the dive, is to try to get a few different examples that may or may not sample some distinct lava flows.
Yeah.
Just to increase our odds of getting some really good material to work with.
Yeah.
Sometimes all you need is one good rock. Sometimes sometimes you just need to increase your odds with more, and you know, we just don't know with these crusty rocks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
A little surprise, little Easter eggs inside.
A little bit. You know, it's like when everything is in a chocolate box coated in chocolate.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
You can use shape to give yourself a pretty good idea of what's inside, since that is actually kind of standardized. And, you know, same sort of a formula applies here, but as in both cases, sometimes you're still surprised. Sometimes it's coconut when you want a caramel.
I think of the sandstone that we could open.
Now I want
cut open a few sandstones and carbonates lately, but still that gives me a really good idea of things like where a carbonate cap is on the seamount if present, and how thick it is.
Yeah.
So even if it's not something that I can use to actually understand the origins of the seamount, that's still really important geological information, and that is material that we can archive for somebody who may be a carbonate specialist, or wants to look at certain parts of a sedimentary rock to get some information out of that. So, you know, it's not just like, oh, this is a bad rock, you know, toss it over the side or whatever. That does get archived up the same way I document and archive all of the other rocks that I know that I can do some work on in my lab.
Yeah.
So,
it's that big team effort you were talking about.
I document it all.
Flat.
Yeah.
There's no bad rock in geology.
I love it.
They're just rocks that are useful for different things.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're also not at the top yet.
Yep.
Not yet.
Still getting there.
Chugging along.
Got a little bit further to go. Like 80 meters.
So basically all of the rubble that we're looking at here are fragments of pillow lavas that have built up the volcanic platform. And that's why it's so difficult to choose a rock, is you've got so many perfect examples, like ideal samples that you can grab here, that making that decision can get really, really difficult. You know, it is possible to have too many things to pick from, and that can cause a decision paralysis here in the back row.
Oh. Well, that's good news, though, that most of it looks pretty good. I think right now would be a good time for some introductions for anyone tuning in. I think it would be a good time for introductions for anyone just tuning in.
Gotcha.
Yeah,
sorry.
All right. No, you're good.
You're a little quiet in my ear. I'll see if I can turn you up.
Oh, oops. Well, I guess I'll go.
Oh, you were like zeroed out.
Oh, LOL. LOL. I guess I will get it started off then for introductions. My name is Giselle Delgon. I am a science communication fellow here.
You don't want that.
On Nautilus Live. When I'm not on EV Nautilus, I am a science communicator in a museum in San Antonio, Texas.
All right, my name is Val Finlayson. Here I am dropping the dive plan on the floor right now, but I'm sitting in the, theoretically, in the chief scientist seat for this watch. Whether or not that's actually the case right now, since I'm dropping the dive plan, is another question. I'm also the geologist on Expedition 174. I've been having a lot of fun with the rocks the entire time. It's been plenty to look at. When I'm not doing this, I am an assistant research scientist at the Department of Geology at University of Maryland College Park, just outside of DC. And there I do a lot of isotope geochemistry on lavas, just like the ones that we are picking up right now, and hopefully some of these in the near future too.
Me? Hi, my name is Luisa Dueñas. I am from the National University of Colombia, based in Bogota. I'm also here representing Ocean Census. I'm seated in the Science 2 seat, and I'm helping with all the identifications and processing of biological samples we collect.
I would just like to point out that Luisa is not dropping the dive plan on the floor.
Wasn't me.
Sorry. I think I just broke Bell.
All right, let's go. All right. Sorry, ladies and gentlemen. All right, hi, my hey, what the heck?
Give us a minute.
Oh no.
That wasn't supposed to be that funny.
It cracked me up.
And now you've got me crying.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh.
It's okay. Okay,
all right.
take it.
All right. Hi, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Hovel Franenako. I'm attending the University of the South Pacific. I'm an ocean science intern serving as a data logger here on Nautilus. Thank you.
All right, in your front row, I am Megan Putz. I'm the navigator on this watch. I'm from the University of Hawaii, and I study deep sea ecosystems, specifically coral and sponge areas and benthic ecology.
Hello, I'm Levi's. I'm a mechanical engineering student at Columbia. I'm also on the Atalanta seat and the ROV engineering intern.
Hello, I'm Amber. I am the lead video engineer, and I am not on Nautilus, and I am a cinematographer and camera operator based in Los Angeles. And I was also actually a former intern from back in 2016, and I've had the fortune to come back. I also get so many cool buttons, so hold on.
We love the cool buttons.
Might have some fun untangling. They're gummies.
This is a comment.
Oh, God. Okay.
Are we starting to see a little bit more sediment than before, or is that just me?
I'm going to turn off pump number 1 from the multipuffer.
All right.
Roger that.
You're turning them off, or is that the end of sampling?
She's turning them off.
Okay.
Let's go.
We're going.
Yeah.
Bell's like, get us out of the rocks.
I'm turning pump 2 on from the multipuffer.
Good.
Oh, there's a little shrimp.
Not quite. We've still got a little ways to go to get to the tippity top of this space. We're passing waypoint 3, but the waypoint 3 isn't at the top. But we can change our heading if we'd like and start heading toward waypoint 4.
I thought I had waypoint 3 on top of the ridge, but evidently not.
We just passed it, so
yeah,
this is not the top. I think the top will be in another 50 meters.
Yeah.
Do you want to keep going on this heading for a little bit longer?
Let's go a little bit longer on this heading, and then we can, if we're still not quite at the top, then we can move toward waypoint 4.
Okay.
Yeah, I thought this was on top of the ridge, but I must have needed to zoom in more.
Oh, yeah, it's hard when you're just like dropping points on a giant map.
And everybody's like, we need to get this to the bridge.
Yeah, like it's good. They're more like guidelines than actual rules.
They are, yeah.
Bridge now.
I was having fun with the map, though. It was a very cool map.
So how do you decide which waypoints that you do choose?
So there are a bunch of factors that go into it. First off is the site selection, which is sort of a rolling conversation as the ship is mapping over an unmapped feature like this. And we all end up usually agreeing on like 1 or 2 sites. You know, we can usually narrow it down pretty quickly, and then we have to figure out, okay, you know, is this like universal no question, are we diving on this particular feature, or if there are a couple of different features that people are preferring, we weigh pros and cons and move from there. And that usually doesn't take too long. And then we figure out the start and end depths that we want to target. So for this one, we all deliberately wanted to go for a much deeper dive. And just because we hadn't yet, and it's always really good to document things going on at these depths because we just don't document those as often. So there's a lot of new things that we've seen down here. So that was part of the decision tree for this one.
Yeah.
We're setting waypoints to correspond more or less with specific geomorphic features and changes along the transect that we pick. And that's helping us guide where we switch out what filters we're working with on the Multipuffer, and just kind of gives us also an idea of what waypoints we want to try to cover in the amount of time that we're on watch. But it doesn't have to be perfect because you never know what you're going to find on these surveys either. Which is exactly why we're doing this.
Yeah.
And just like this Brisingid here, and these increasingly large pillow basalts that we're looking at as we get toward the top of this ridge crest. So,
do you want to take a look at that?
It's a little bit of a guideline, and we have a basic management plan that we're trying to handle here. And if we don't exactly stick to that because there's something spectacular that we see, great, you know.
Mm-hmm. Oh,
then we deviate from it. And we don't have to finish the track either. That's not like a requirement or anything. It's just, here's an outline. It's like outlining a paper. You know, here's an outline for what we're interested in trying to do, and then we see how much we can cover in the time we have on bottom.
Amber, you got free range zoom?
I'm doing it.
Free range zoom.
Free range. Ooh, oh, that's so cool. You can kind of see the arm of the, what is this? Is this a snake star?
So this is a sponge, a glass sponge, and on it is this ophicanthid sea star.
Oh, it's a sea star.
This looks like Euryplegma.
That is so cool.
The sponge, and the brittle stars are Ophiacanthidae.
Having the two together really highlights the name glass sponge. It really does look like it's made of glass.
Because it is.
It is. It's literally made out of silica.
Wait, what? Really?
That's why we call them glass sponges.
Oh my God.
Haven't you touched one in the lab yet?
Yeah,
I have, but I didn't know. I thought that was just the name.
No, this is why we were
we don't want you to eat it.
Not to eat them.
Yeah.
Oh,
because it's silica and it'll destroy his teeth.
Literally eating fiberglass.
Yeah, it's not so good for your teeth.
I've touched fiberglass.
So the mineralogy of your teeth is a combination of calcite and apatite, and both of those are much softer than glass.
That's crazy.
So it's crunchy.
So you can have an appetite for appetite?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, wow.
It's the appetite that gives you the appetite.
I thought it was just
and
crunchy.
not the silica.
I didn't know it was actual
No,
glass
it's so crunchy. It's so crunchy it will wreck your teeth.
Oh my gosh.
and your insides if you swallow it.
Oh,
Yeah,
no,
don't do it.
not tasty.
I mean, geology is an all five senses thing, but we do not recommend eating the rocks that aren't table salt.
This is, this. But what about the fossilized bone? What about that?
You just lick that to tell that it's bone. I really don't recommend licking that or eating that either. There is also a condition called pica, and that is diagnosed if you are eating a lot of soil, and it's generally not good for you, but it does tend to signal something like a nutrient deficiency that needs to be corrected.
How interesting. I learned way too many
generally,
things.
it is not recommended to go eating things that humans don't normally eat.
Well, this is true. I learned quite a bit,
including glass sponges.
Okay.
And ferromanganese rocks.
Definitely not ferromanganese. There's a reason why I try to at least clean off my arms and my face after I've been sawing if I can't get to the shower before mealtime.
The pillow basalts look so good though.
Good for study, not for food.
Oh.
But oh yeah, on my last question, are we seeing more sediment than before? Like, is that kind of, or am I?
It dropped off a little bit,
Yeah.
but we were also on some steeper slopes. So yes, not as much as we were seeing earlier in the dive though.
And would that be like a combination of like the incline and the ocean currents kind of like bringing that in? Compared to the
Probably.
others, yeah?
I think it's mostly an incline thing.
Okay, okay. Ooh,
Just not as much space for sediment to settle out, whereas here it can build up more easily. So that's something we call the angle of repose. Basically, in sedimentary processes like what we're looking at here, including the volcanic rocks, there's like a maximum slope angle where you can have pieces of your sediment basically settle out and stay settled and like not move.
Okay.
Anything steeper than that, they will basically, it becomes unstable and it's more likely that slope will fail and it will try to find that angle of repose again, aka the rocks will move.
Yeah.
Also love that as a like album title, Angle of Repose.
Right. Ooh,
is that an album
yeah,
title?
It should be.
Yeah, I feel like it should be.
I mean, prog metal does tap into a lot of like geological and science themes.
Ooh,
There's a whole German supergroup out there called the Ocean Collective, and they have some amazing stuff out there.
Really?
Based on geologic timescales.
What?
Yeah.
Yes.
The Ocean
Have you dropped the pin for samples 244?
244.
Multipuffers.
Oh, I didn't hear the multipuffer.
Oh, it just turned on right now.
Okay, right now. Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
All right.
So it's just one multipuffer?
Yeah, just one.
Yeah, we're doing singles on this instead of doubles.
And which number is that? Multipuffer number
Pumps 2. Yeah.
And then we ended pump 1?
Yeah.
Yes. Thank you.
Oh, welcome.
What have we up here?
Ooh, gonna take a little peek-a-rooney.
I think it's just a Brasingid that's missing a bunch of its arms.
Oh no.
Oh,
it's just a two-armed Brasingid.
Oh my gosh, I've never seen one that with
Oh
that many
my
arms. Somebody had a really bad day.
Oh, I think it just has, it's got really mini arms. It's growing them back.
It
Don't
kind of
worry.
looks like a bug with antennas.
Anybody else watch the Deadpool movies?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes.
Baby legs.
Oh, I love that.
It might be like one last little push to get to the tippity top here. You see how it's more of one
like
solid mass?
Yeah, we should be coming over the top right now.
Yeah.
Ooh. That's crazy how fast the landscape changed.
I think it might be.
Ooh, a little crevice.
We can look around. Well, it looks like the top.
That's
you
the
can see
top.
the other side. There's the
Yeah,
top.
whoa.
I mean, I knew this was a pretty sharp ridge in the Chimera data, but I think it isn't doing this ridge crest justice.
Wow.
I hiked one of these once. It was really scary.
Oh my gosh.
Franklin Mountains in El Paso, there's a little knife ridge, and you can't even, it gets so narrow at one point you can't even walk on top of it. You have to traverse the side of it, and you've got like 1,000-foot drop below you. Do not recommend. It was very frightening.
Oh, I think I've seen pictures of that ridge. Oh.
Yeah, there are pictures of me crossing it.
Oh my
It's
god.
one of those things I will do once.
Fair, fair.
So we want to change and head towards waypoint 4 now?
Yes.
All right.
we have acquired the ridge.
I was really hoping there'd be a big coral up here, you know, just with like, marks the spot, like a little flag.
That would have been really nice.
That would have been cool.
I mean, there are a couple of sponges around here, and there's something.
Yeah, there's a something.
Something?
I mean, I can't confirm if it's a live something.
Yeah.
There's some mysids. I think it's a dead something. Looks like an old sponge stalk.
Yeah. That's been a common theme this expedition. Lots of dead sponge stalks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like them. They look like wizard staffs.
It's definitely a dead sponge stalk.
There's a few of them in the background.
Yeah. Oh yeah, look at that. There's so many. There's one that's fallen down.
Yeah. We just started moving in our other direction. It's probably going to take us a little bit longer to get going in our new uphill climb.
Ooh. No worries. That is the trade-off of diving deep. We get to see a bunch of different things, but it takes us a little bit longer to do it.
Yeah.
Is this incline going to be a lot steeper than the one we were seeing previously?
We could be on the abyssal plane.
It's going to be... So you see how we came up and the contours are spaced really closely together here? And now we're up here and they're further apart.
Yeah.
That's so those are basically lines of constant depth. So when they get further apart, that means that you're going up up or down more slowly. So that's much more shallow versus what we came up, much more steep. So you know, you're going up that same change in distance.
Yeah.
Much more quickly when your contours are closer together.
Yeah.
So that's how I know that this is a ridge.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Love that.
Ooh, what is
a little scrimp. It's so beautiful.
Doing
Look
its
at
little
this Aristeid shrimp.
Doing its little shrimp business.
Oh my gosh, look at it.
It's most shrimpliest business.
Very shrimply.
Very royal.
Oh. Shrimp Nation, where you at?
Oh.
Oh, hello guys.
Oh, goodbye. That was a lovely little friend we wait to make to waypoint for.
Is that a sea star or is that a holdfast?
I think it's just a little sediment pocket.
It is a little sediment pocket that looks like a sea star.
Yep.
It kind of like the cookie ones that we saw.
So we're going to be doing this today.
Yeah, we can look at this. Why not?
Let's look at this.
We're
We
looking
can
at
look
that.
at more of these. That way I can count them.
So many.
Whoa. They're
Count
just
how
all
many
over.
brittle stars are on this sponge stock.
Well, there are at least 2 based on color.
So many.
So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. My guess is 7. It's kind of like how many, jelly beans are in the jar. You can't really tell.
I was kind of thinking.
But, based on the number of arms you see, you've got a good estimate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But we did just see one with only 2 arms.
Yeah,
so.
we did. Oh, this is true. Challenge?
Yep.
So there could be like 10.
Yeah. All right,
or
coming
20.
away.
So we're gonna go up the ridge, which should be a heading of 300. Let's see what the sonar has to say about that. Yeah, that looks good.